How do I prompt ElevenMusic?
The best way I found to do it is kind of iterate with the model and build up an intuition of what the model can do and can't do. I made one track that I really liked. It was like kind of a didgeridoo, this Australian instrument, combined with a kind of progressive techno track. We have a lot of human labelers that have helped us create a very good data set, and many of them are musicians. So if you want something very specific, you can try to say, okay, I want like this key and I want this beat pattern, and like the snare should come in this grid or whatever. Use like musician language. If you know what you want as a musician, you can control it better and kind of say, okay, I want this specific pattern, or I want to like this specific key, and then we want to like, you can use specific words that a musician would use.
If I want full creative control, the best way is to be knowledgeable about, I guess, the musician lingo.
That's also another thing. So when you work with the model in the UI, you can either edit stuff directly. You can go in and you can like click on the styles and you can put your tags. So you put I want 90 BPM, like F major, blah, 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 blah. And then you put negative tags. So you say, okay, I don't want like death metal and growling and whatever you don't want. Like you want the contrast, basically.
Is there specific terminology within that you found useful or that you keep on finding yourself going back to?
You can use stuff like great production quality. That's just something it's going to say, okay, they want great production quality. So that's a kind of a cheat code.
Is there any other tips that you would recommend sharing with other users that are using maybe ElevenMusic for the first time?
Yeah, I mean, I think my biggest tip would be just to play with it, get a feel for what it can and can't do. It can do a surprising amount. If you can get it to make movie trailers, you can get it to make like a guided meditation session, you can get it to make like a commercial. It basically, if it exists in audio form, you can probably get it out of the model.